Why does the stock market exist, and how did it become so powerful? From the frantic energy of old trading floors, where paper flew and voices roared, to the silent, instantaneous flash of digital trades across the globe, the stock market has always been the heart of modern capitalism. It's more than just a place for billionaires to play. It's a vital engine for growth, innovation, and the global economy itself. By understanding its fundamental purpose and mechanisms, we can unravel how this complex system shapes nearly every aspect of our lives, from the technology in our hands to the companies we work for and the price of goods on the shelves. To truly grasp its influence, we must first look at what happens behind the ticker symbols and flashing numbers. At its core, the stock market is a sophisticated matchmaking system, a grand exchange where buyers and sellers meet. When a company decides to go public through an initial public offering, or IPO, it divides its ownership into shares. These shares are then sold to investors, who become part owners of the business. An animated representation would show this process clearly. A buyer places an order to purchase 100 shares of a tech company at a specific price, while a seller, perhaps an early investor or another trader, places an order to sell their shares. The exchange's electronic system instantly matches these two orders when their prices align, and the transaction is executed. This continuous process of matching buy and sell orders is what determines a stock's price, creating a dynamic, real-time valuation of a company's worth based on collective supply and demand. The price of a stock, however, is rarely static. It is constantly influenced by a vast ecosystem of market forces that reflect the health and future prospects of a company and the economy at large. Imagine a news feed filled with headlines. A pharmaceutical company announces a breakthrough drug, causing its stock to soar. An unexpected economic report reveals higher than anticipated inflation, and the entire market dips in response. Global events, such as a new trade agreement or a political crisis, can send ripples across international exchanges, affecting companies thousands of miles away. These factors, ranging from corporate earnings reports and leadership changes to macroeconomic data and geopolitical shifts, are all processed by millions of investors, whose collective sentiment and reactions are what drive the daily fluctuations we see on stock charts. This intricate dance of capital has a profound real-world impact that extends far beyond Wall Street. The funds raised when a company goes public are often used to fuel groundbreaking innovation. Consider the journey of a small electric vehicle startup that uses IPO capital to build new factories, hire thousands of employees, and develop next-generation battery technology. On a larger scale, the stock market acts as a barometer for the health of the economy. A prolonged bull market often correlates with economic expansion, job growth, and consumer confidence. Conversely, a bear market can signal an economic downturn, affecting everything from retirement savings and pension funds to the availability of loans for small businesses and families. The market's performance directly influences corporate decisions and government policies, shaping the economic landscape we all inhabit. Ultimately, the stock market has evolved from a simple mechanism for raising capital into the central nervous system of the global economy. As we zoom out to a view of the Earth, we see interconnected financial networks pulsing with data, linking Tokyo, London, and New York in a non-stop cycle of investment and trade. This system is what allows savings to be channeled into productive enterprises, funds the innovations that define our era, and helps build wealth for millions of people. It is a powerful, complex, and sometimes volatile force, but its fundamental role in allocating resources and driving progress is undeniable. From its chaotic origins to its digital present, the stock market remains a testament to human ambition and the perpetual quest for growth, fundamentally shaping the world we live in today.